This is Irontrader. Now it's about 4:16 my time. The pits closed at 2:30, so we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, buy the ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. All right, let's take a look here at the daily. Well, okay. We had a big gap up here Monday, and where did it go? Right into the 8-day. Yesterday, couldn't get through. Today, couldn't get through. Big ass red candle, and it filled this gap. Okay, so today's low was 83.11, and this gap here is sitting at 83.28. So that gap there is now filled. So we have to wait and see how this is all going to shake out here. So your next basically target here is going to be this level right here. You're looking at 82.15, and then your retest here of 81.50. Now, if that is lost here, then what we do is we come over here to this candle right here. You're looking at, this SMA here at 79.60. Then we look at 79.15, and then we come over here to this 8 SMA here. You're looking at 78.77, and then we have your 50-day at 78.33. And then your big old target, 77.68. This is all only if this 81.50 here is lost. Okay, upside. Well, when the futures open back up here at 6 p.m., you'll see this 8-day, it'll be crossed below that 50-day. This is like I tried to tell you here, okay? When you look at this here, if it can't get through, then it's just going to come, price is going to come right on down. So this looks lower. Currently, I'm back short again, and I did some scalping today, just on a long, just for a short period of time, and then I'm holding my short here, because when you get a candle like this that wiped out all those days, it filled that gap, this looks going to be lower. Now, let's just say that it just reverses and goes up. Well, what you want to do here is look at this 58 SMA, 85.22. You want to look at this 8 SMA here at 85.49. Then we start getting into this right here is 86.11, and then we want to look right there at your 86.52, and then on your 21-day here, you got 86.79. Those will be all your key resistant levels, and then we can go to the top of today's candle here. You're looking at 86.51 here. You got 86.74, and then we have 87.24. Then we look to the bottom of this candle here. You're looking at 87.76 here, this candle here, while you're looking at 88.46, and then we have 88.74. That is your big target if you can close above your 50 and your 8 SMA. Right now, not looking too good. Looks like it's going to go lower here, but again, we have to see. And again, you have that war in the Middle East. That's a catalyst. Who knows how that's all going to shake out. Now, you can see what you did on your RSI. It ran up here nicely, rolled back over. Your MACD rolled back over here. MACD here on your weekly looks like it's going to have a bearish cross here. So we got to see how this is all going to shake out. But it's very, very simple trade here. If you can't get past this 8-day, I know I keep stressing this 8-day, like a broken record here, but this is very, very important. See, where you just couldn't get through, can't get through. It doesn't matter what it does on a day. That's only like for scalping purposes. But if it can't close, doesn't make any difference. She's going lower, and big red candle. This looks lower here tomorrow. Now, remember the API numbers here on crude will actually be out today, not like yesterday, like I reported, which I made a huge mistake. That's all on me. But it will be out there today, and then tomorrow. Then on Thursday, the EIA report will be out at 11 o'clock out on crude and 10:30 on for the natty gas. All right, let's take a look here at natty gas and see what that did. Okay, here we have the old natural gas, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, look at this candle here. Wow, that is one badass candle, okay? So what we look at there is, wow, she came right on down. They say, what did this come down to here? Okay, so the low today was 3.22. They said, well, it's kind of no man's land. Not really. What is this SMA right here? 3.229, okay? There is your support. That was your buying opportunity as long as it held. Now, I scalped the UNG there today and made a nice 40 cents on there. I'm trading 20,000 shares. That was a really, really good trade. You could have scalped the boil there. That was up there about 7 points. Very, very nice. Now, I did not take the short on the way down here because of the time period. I was just looking to scalp this thing long, but it turned out really, really good. Okay, so now what do you have to do? Where are we going to stand now? So here on the downside, you want to watch that today's low, 3.225. This is the key level here on the support side. 3.229, held it on the way down. Okay, now again, if that's lost, your 8 SMA here is sitting really nice at 2.86, and your 2.68 is above that. So this is a very, very bullish as long as that 8-day stays above that 21-day. Now, here on the downside here, well, we got to look here. So you want to look at today's low here, and you want to look at this key 8 SMA here, sitting at 3.184. And then if that's lost here, then we can come over to this candle here. You're looking at 3.05 here. You're looking at 2.91, 2.276, and then we have 2.66. You can come all the way down to this 100-day here at 2.64. Still very bullish. See the nice series of higher lows. Beautiful, beautiful. So eventually this gap will get filled. It just isn't going to be like right today. So here on the upside here, what we want to do is the next target here, if you can close above this 3.47 here, then we want to just look to the left of our candles here. So you want to look at that. That is 3.52. Then we have 3.595. And then we look here to this candle, 3.78, which lines up perfectly here with the 200-day here. Moving average going across, that's 3.78 also. Just before that is you're going to have this 3.73. That is you're going to be your key 50-day SMA here on your monthly chart. Okay, so that's going to provide some resistance here. But I think if she's going to rally up here, it's going to go to that 3.78, that nice 200-day sitting right there. Okay, so now we know where we stand. We want to go here on your downside is watch that key 50 SMA. On the upside here, watch this 3.47, a close above 3.78. That is going to be your target. So let's take a look and see what it did on the hourly and the 4-hour. Okay, here it is. Came right on down here. There's that 3.22 level here, and then it just rallied up very, very nice here. Just kept right on going here. So now what you want to do is watch this key 21 SMA 3.38, and then we want to watch here. Well, that's 3.38 right there too, and then watch this 3.33 here on any kind of a downside, and then you have your retest there of today's low here. If that's lost, you could come down here, but right now you still have a really, it had a nice good sell-off here, but you still have that sideways action go here. So on the upside, watch that 3.45, and then your retest here at 3.47. If it can close above 3.78 to 208 is the target. All right, I'll have more for you on the crude tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock and natural gas. And remember, the API report will be out today here at 4:30. Thanks for watching.